Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm talking loud because we are out on this absolutely gorgeous morning. July is coming fast. I mean, I can't believe it, but it is coming so fast. Dory at Dory's Dollies and I would like to invite you to 3 challenges we do every single month. We do Amaya Raine Day on the 3rd, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th, and Hi Barbie on the 18th of each month. We've changed the date that we're making our announcements for the theme of each of these so that it's all in one month. We had it broke up before, but anyway, we're going to start doing our announcements on the 20th of each month. This month, coming up, July, all across the board, meaning all 3 challenges, the theme is red, white, and blue. And of course, with Dolls Gone Goth, I'm sure you'll put a little black in there somewhere because, you know, wouldn't be goth without it. We hope you'll participate and have a little fun with us. And Dory, thank you so much for doing this each month. My Amaya Raine's out here in her brand new patriotic shoes. It is a beautiful morning. Red, white, and blue across the board. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Now, Dolls Gone Goth is any doll,
Correct.
and Hi Barbie is any Barbie,
Yep.
and Amaya Raine's any Amaya Raine, Shadow High, or Rainbow High, correct?
Correct.
Wow. Sounds like a lot of fun. See you then.